Golden hush on the water, sleepy reeds in the dawn. A silver path is waking, and the day drifts on. Above Terrazza Park, I trace the winding shine. The desert holds its breath where the wetland meets the line. A hidden world below me, soft green under sand. I watch the channels turning across the land, and it feels so far away, the noise from down below. Just wind and water moving where the quiet rivers go. Lift me over the wall, let me see it all. Birds fly through the cattails like sketches in the air. Sunlight on the ripples puts a shimmer everywhere. The marsh keeps its secrets in the bends and in the blooms. Tiny lives keep rising in the open morning room, and the city feels distant, just a line beyond the the sky is pouring through the spaces in between. Lift me over the wall, let me see it all. Desert and water in the same gold fall. So high, so free. Lift me over the wall, wide today. For a moment I am almost weightless, just a quiet witness to the turning light. No rush, no edge, only slow unfolding, a living thread of water running through the let me see it all. Desert and water in the same gold fall. So high, so free. Lift me over the wash, where the reed beds sway. I can breathe out here, and the world opens wide today, and it fades like dawn on the silver bend. Still the sky keeps calling softly at the end.